So welcome back to another video. Again, this time we're making with a rhubarb. Now is the rhubarb season, so this is already peeled to make it the easy for the video. I just peeled it. Rhubarb is it's a shoot. The stem we use from the vegetable. It grows from the root, and then only you take the shoot. The stem of the it has a big leaf and all this stuff. It looks like a chard, the stem. And in India, what should we say? It's similar to, it's very sour, so it's best to have a pickle with it. So I'm making an achar or a pickle, what we can say. So let's try it. Come on. So first I'll just, cut the rhubarb and keep it in the container. Alright, so the rhubarb is cut. I just keep in a ramekin bowl like this. Alright, so what we will be doing is we're doing a tempering for the pickle. So two ways there to cook. You can cook the vegetable in the pickling sauce, but here you don't need it because this rhubarb is so tender. Even if I make a nice tempering and then pour it over top, it will cook itself, so you don't need it. It will cure. Pickling is basically a curing method. All right, so I'm going to make a tempering and pour it on the top and then leave it there, and you can just use it for a month. But make sure the spoon is not moisture content, so it spoils the whole thing. And keep it airtight. As well, you can leave it outside as well. You don't have to leave it in the fridge if it's airtight containers. All right, so let's try that one. So the pan is hot. So I'm using mustard oil. That is a traditional way when we do the pickling. You can avoid that if you don't want. You can use the normal vegetable oil as well. So for pickle needs a lot of oil. That's what it preserves. So the oil on the top layer will prevent the oxygen to enter into the vegetable or whatever pickle you use. So you need a bit more of oil. So I used around 100 grams of oil here. Mustard oil. Let it go hot. And here I got a panchforan spices. Normally that is good for pickling spices. Pickling spices has, sometimes people put coriander as well. I just avoid it. So you have onion seeds, that's kalonji in Hindi, cumin, jeera, fennel, saunf, then fenugreek, methi, and then mustard. So the oil is hot now. See, once the mustard oil, the best way to detect is, or to start cooking is, once it starts smoking, you can see it. There is nice, lamb dishes also made it, even though it's a vegan, now I'm saying about the meat. You need to smoke it, the oil first, and then before you start sauteing your meat in it. So this is the perfect condition. So put the temperature a bit down. I'm using Asafoetida here. All right, half a teaspoon. That gives amazing flavor to the pickle. And now adding all the spices here. Okay, let it temper. Okay, I put the heat down, and then now adding chili. 1 teaspoon. Now turmeric, half a teaspoon. Now adding distilled malt vinegar. You can use a normal malt vinegar as well, but this time adding distilled malt vinegar. Around 25 grams. So now what we need to do is add salt. I'm adding Himalayan pink salt. Mix everything. Okay, ensure you taste it. So anything, if you need to adjust, you can adjust now. Good. Maybe a bit of salt, a gram of salt. Because pickle has everything into the extreme. Be it oil, be it sourness, be it spicy, that is a taste enhancer. When you have anything with a dal or rice that is plain, you have a pickle, that's enough. So now what we're doing, you got your cut rhubarb, then pour it on the top. And that's it, leave it there. It will pickle itself. Okay, allow it to cool down.